Hello guys! Magandang umaga sa inyo. Ngayong araw nga ay March 11. Magsosorbet tayo ulit ng ating liliguan at pupuntahan nga namin yung sinasabi nilang Tag-Araw Resorts. Yan! So, ang daan lang ay dito sa papuntang sa San Miguel. Liliko ka lang dito sa may Cabaong Bridge. Tapos, didire-diretsuhin mo lang yan guys. Makakarating ka sa outpost ng barangay. Parang hindi siya outpost lang ng tanod, parang ganun, bantay lang siya sa area. Nag-a-assist din kung saan ang daan. Basta dire-diretso ka lang yan, makikita mo lang. Mga ilang outpost din yun ng mga tanod. So ito, dire-diretso lang tayo hanggang sa dulo. Wait nyo lang po kung gaano kaganda o anong itsura, anong meron ang sinasabi nilang Tag-Araw Resort. Yay! Yan po yung sinasabi ko sa inyong outpost na isa. O, di ba? Nakita nyo? So, yun lang guys. Enjoy nyo yung daan para alam nyo din kung saan ang daan papunta doon. Para sa susunod na punta nyo o gusto nyo pumunta, hindi nyo pa nararating ang resort na ito, ay pwede nyo gawing way. Gawin yung pattern itong aking video. Thank you so much. Enjoy, enjoy.
The dream, I was water just flowing through space till I landed on the record that my grandma would play. Talk sweet like jazz in the park after rain. What the grass smell green and the air feels sane. Put the phone on mute, let the silence explain. I don't need much, just a book in the brain. Used to chase things that would run from me. Now I sit still, let the peace come free. Paint a verse in the sky with a loose leaf. While the moon do a dance with a soft oak tree. Let it ride, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. I've been good, I've been gone, I've been lost in the loops. Got a hoodie and some headphones, walking with troops. Ain't no inches in the feed, just noise and flex. But I found God once in a vinyl set. Talk slow when I speak, let the moment stretch. Learn peace ain't found, it's a thing you protect. Yeah, I vibe like water, I change and shift. But the roots still deep like my grandma's grits. City move fast, but I drift like smoke. Let the rhythm in my chest be the way I cope. Wrote a song for the days that feel soft and broke. Where the healing don't shout, but it still got hope. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it be what it be. Got a breeze in my chest and a thought run free. I don't rush, I don't race, I just float on three. Got a vibe in my soul, got a life on key. Let it ride, let it breathe, let it roll like that. Got the world in my cup and the beat in the back. I don't stress, I don't fold, I just lean on facts. If the sun don't shine, I'ma still bounce back.
Al inicio del ser, quiero puedas ver que salimos del suelo y abrimos el mirar al fuego en nuestra mano. Habló en lenguas, el tambor fue el sol. Bailamos en aliento, con silencio en el pulmón, y el tiempo se borró. Somos el fuego, somos la mano, creamos el sueño, hicimos el plano, nacidos del cielo, paridos del llano. Somos el fuego, somos la mano. paso no cambió. Seguía en la piel y el polvo susurró. Recuerda tu valor. Somos el fuego, somos la mano. Creamos el sueño, hicimos el plano. Nacidos del cielo, paridos del llano. Somos el fuego, somos la mano. 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 The warmth is gone away. You turn so cold on me, baby, and you'll miss my love someday. The fire burned out, it's fading slow and deep. The fire burned out, darling, it's fading slow and deep. I'll keep on moving forward, but I'll cry myself to sleep. The fire burned out, it's gone.
Ang daming cottage, oh.
Para magbihis ang dulo.
Daming cottage, mga walang laman. Tapos nadulas ka, ano?
Tuloy muna kami. Kahapon na kami kami. Laman ka.
Yung siya, no, malalim. Pagod ka na. May pahawak-hawak ka na agad eh.
Parang na-trauma ako dun sa Malbar na yan.
Ang ganda siya, no? Oh.
Makalik ba si Lord?
At alam nyo ba guys, meron ditong mga bilihan ng kainan. Kami. Pastil. Saka yung juice. Tapos yung baba mo dyan na. Swimming. Wow. Sauce. Kano yan lahat?
35, 20. Ikaw nang ano? Tubig.
Parang mabibitin ako sa juice. Masarap. Magkano isa nito?
10. Paripili nga po.
Pwede ba ate? 10 piso din yun. Ang sarap. Paparipil pa talaga ako tubig. Ay, tubig. Juice. Paparipil. Oo. Ate, ano nilalagay dito? Ngayon nasa ako kumain dito.
Parang nadugulang mo ko.
Wala na yata ganyan? Wala na.
Yung iba ay kanya-kanyang trip na lang.
Lalagyan daw sili.
Ano yun? May sili para manghang. Ito yung tak.
Okay? Ito lahat?
70, 80. Kung nga parang sarap.
Na ano?
BCP.
Wow. Ang layo na. Oo, dami yan. Ang natawa na. Pad pa nga po ng siomay. Pagdawan tayo. Oo. Bahala ka pa. Aray ko, sumakit yung tagiliran ko.
Sabi ng momo.
Okay guys, tapos na tayong mag-tour. Uwian na. Thank you for watching guys. Pa-like and subscribe po ng aking channel.